Hello, this is Running Robert, and today we're going to be talking about the Lipocine Incorporated LPCN 2401 results. Today is the 12th of April, 2024, and in this summary, we're going to be looking at the positive or the bullish and the bearish parts of the results. So I generally follow small cap pharma, I do games, I do a little bit of everything. So if you like what I'm doing, hey, please like and subscribe. It helps out a lot, and thank you. Of course, disclaimer, as I do not currently own any stocks and options in this. I'm an amateur investor, and any advice given should be followed up by your own due diligence. And any information given is valid for today, the 12th of April, and the slideshow will not be updated. But if you follow me, you know, new news, new slideshow. So we got positive results, but we went down. Yeah, that is 100% correct today. So obviously I looked at a pre-market when the news came out, and it shot up to, I think, 11 or 11 and change before unfortunately coming back down to earth. And when looking at the data they presented, the weight loss was underwhelming. So it was only about 6.7% compared to the 25 to 40% with the main weight loss drugs. So obviously that was very underwhelming. The company did pivot towards the increase in the lean mass, which was not seen in any weight loss drugs, and the side effect of the drugs that there just really was not a huge amount of side effects. So the company believes its drug can be used with others in combination. So, you have a combo therapy, or to help them keep off the weight due to the side effects and having to drop from the other weight loss drugs, because that is a concern. They stopped taking it, they gained the weight back. This is could be a nice little bridge for that. So there's a lot of ways a company could work. We're just gonna have to see what they do next. So how does the drug work? And really, it's an anabolic steroid. It raises testosterone. So the data itself is not very surprising. Obviously, higher testosterone, less fat, more muscle. I mean, that's pretty simple. That's what the drug is. Moving on. Will the drug find a niche in the market? I mean, obviously, yes, but it's going to take some time to get it to the market. So there's definitely a niche there. I mean, obviously, most men would probably take a little testosterone boost if they could get it to help, lose weight, gain muscle. Like, who wouldn't? So there definitely would be a side effect for it, or a niche for it, not a side effect, a niche for it. But it will have to be tested in a larger trial by itself and with other weight loss medications for side effects or drug combination issues. Now, there should not be any, but you still have to check it. So again, and they might not test it by itself. They might only test it in combination. But again, that's a lot of moving pieces, unfortunately. And with that said, to bring a phase 3 trial with everything said that I just kind of mentioned, they're going to need a partner. I don't believe that Lipocine has the resources to do this by themselves. However, most likely they're going to discuss it with one or more of the key players. So they're going to probably go to, I think, the 4 main weight loss drugs and probably say, hey, you need an edge. Here's the edge that you can do it with us. All you got to do is partner, and then you can sell these together. It might work. One of those companies might take them up if they're lagging in sales, or they just need that little bit of extra oomph for it. But it's going to take some time. So I wouldn't expect a large trial to start until late in the second half of 2024. And let's be honest, it's probably 2025. Really, the next steps would be to probably talk to the FDA. And by the time that is done, by the time you have what the FDA would like to see, and maybe a partner at that point, then you have to set up the trial, get it started. So if they get a partner very quickly, I could see it. Obviously having a partner like a Novo or something like that would definitely kickstart it, and you're definitely looking at the second half. If a lot of that stuff is delayed, it's going to be 2025 or when they find a partner. So it's definitely positive news, but it's hard to see what the company can do with it. Any action will most likely need a partnership. And though there are definitely options, I'm not sure any company will take them up on it. So again, they might go to the big 4 and all of them might just say, it's not for us. Like, we're not looking at the combo. It's a possibility. But this is definitely something that Lipocine can keep in its back pocket. But unless you have other news announced with it, again, partnership or the FDA gives a very easy moving forward trial, I don't see it moving the stock a lot. So again, it's something that the company might just kind of hold on to for a year or two before starting a phase 3 if they can't find a partner and let the rest of their pipeline mature. I'm not sure. They might just sell it off in general and be able to get money for it. So there's just a lot to think of. But again, I don't see a lot of movement with this at the moment. But like I said, Lipocine has a lot of other drugs that are going to be giving clinical trial data soon. So we will stay on top of that. So I hope this helped. Thank you very much for watching and listening, and I hope you have a wonderful day.